When you are a manager, your day often looks like this pawn. Move, respond, approve, fix, and attend. The task includes approving leave, reviewing small vendor bills, correcting presentation fonts, or maybe reviewing team emails or attending meetings that are just status updates. Jumping into every client escalation, and by the end of the day, you feel exhausted. Busy? Productive? Maybe. Let's address the uncomfortable truth. You were moving pieces one step at a time, not thinking for the board. Hi, I'm your coach Parul Sood, and in this video, we will learn to empower, create inner shifts, and lead with grace. Scaling from manager to leader is not about doing more. It is about seeing more. Because the higher you go, the less you are paid for the activity or execution, the more you are paid for judgment. Let's understand the shift. The first shift, from firefighting to pattern recognition. Managers solve daily problems. A client complains, a target is missed, a team member underperforms, so they jump in. But leaders ask, why is this problem recurring? Is it a hiring issue, a process gap, a capability problem, or a structural mismanagement? Managers treat symptoms. Leaders redesign systems. In chess, if you react only to move, you lose long-term positioning. Here's the second shift, from approval dependency to decision architecture. Every small decision needs you. Leave approvals, minor expense approvals, email reviews, presentation correction. You are not leading, you are centralizing. Leaders ask, why does this decision require my involvement at all? At leadership level, your job is not to approve more. Your job is to reduce dependency. Strong executives design clarity so decisions cascade without chaos. The third shift, from departmental focus to broad thinking. Managers often protect their department. Marketing pushes campaigns, sales pushes targets, finance cuts budgets, operations protect bandwidth. Leaders see the whole board. If marketing increases demand, can operations deliver? If sales discounts heavily, does brand positioning weaken? Leadership thinking is integration. The fourth shift, from busyness to leverage. Many managers are addicted to being needed. If their calendar is full, they feel important. But executives measure impact, not activity. They spend time on strategic partnerships, capital allocation, succession planning, risk assessment, long-term positioning. Fewer moves, but bigger consequences. In chess, a strong player doesn't move every piece emotionally. They reposition with intention. They sacrifice short-term comfort for long-term advantage. They think 3 moves ahead. And here's where executive maturity shows up. Your leadership. Managers think in weeks and quarters. Leaders think in years. Managers ask, did we hit this month's number? Leaders ask, is our business model sustainable in 5 years? Managers ask, how do I fix this conflict? Leaders ask, what culture are we reinforcing? Remember, the higher the role, the wider the lens. And here's the most important mindset shift. If your presence is required for daily functioning, you are operationally strong, but not strategically scaled. Leaders build leaders. They build systems. They build decision clarity. They do not sit at the center of every move. They think for the board. That means they think for the organization and for the goal. So the next time the day feels overwhelming, pause and ask, am I approving small things or designing big direction? Am I solving today's issue or preventing tomorrow's pattern? Am I moving like a piece or thinking like a player? You do not become